Hello everyone, Ryan here. This video will be a tutorial on how to start an LLC in New Jersey. And real quick before we get into today's video, I gotta mention that this channel is partnered with Bizee. By using our affiliate link below this video, you can be benefiting our channel at no additional cost to you. It's a great way to use Bizee's amazing services while also supporting our channel so we continue making videos like this one. By the end of this video, you will not only have a clear understanding of how to use Bizee to form your LLC in New Jersey, but you will also have all the tools needed to navigate the state's requirements and make informed decisions for your business. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first step would be to head to Bizee's website. Again, you can use the link below this video for convenience. And once you're in there, you will see an option to start your business. For the entity type, we want to select LLC of course, and then for the state section, you want to drop down the menu and select New Jersey. After that, you are presented with Bizee's pricing tiers, and for that we've got three main packages: the basic, standard, and the premium plan. The basic plan is their free option that comes in at $0 plus $130 of state fee that you would normally have to pay anyway when forming an LLC in New Jersey. This amount is regardless of the LLC formation service that you go for. But this package is a great option if you are on a tight budget, and it will get you your LLC formation service done, 1 year of free registered agent service, your operating agreement template, and a free accounting or consultation. You will also get a bunch of different features by using Bizee. And this is why I highly recommend this service, such as the lifetime compliance alerts, unlimited phone and email support, online access to your dashboard, business banking account offer, and if you really want to get your LLC formed as quick as possible, then you can pay for the expedited filing. So for an additional $50, you can get it done in 1 business day of filing time instead of 3 weeks. If you choose to upgrade to the standard plan at $200 plus the state fee, then you would get everything that is available in the basic plan plus additional services such as the operating agreement filed for you, which would normally cost you $99, and you also get the IRS form 2553 filed for you. And finally, we've got the premium plan with Bizee at $299 plus the $130 state fee, and in that package you get everything in the previous plans plus the expedited filing, domain name and business name, business email address, and all the different features that this platform has to offer. So personally, I highly recommend going through these features and choosing the package that best fits your needs and of course your budget. So let's say I'm going to continue with the basic package and then click on get started. The next step would be to fill in our company information. So we have to enter the LLC name and then the designator, so LLC, and you have to make sure that your name is available in the state. The good thing is that Bizee does the service to check the name for you, so simply enter the LLC name and then click next. After that, you are presented with the offer to make your state filing time go faster. So again, the typical filing time is about 3 weeks, but if you want it done in 1 business day, so if you want to, you pay the additional $50, but if you're not in a rush to get your LLC formed, then you can continue with the free option and then click next. Now we have to enter the contact person information, which is basically the person responsible for the order that they can contact just in case they needed additional information or documents. You can of course enter your own details and act as the contact person for your LLC. Next, we get to the company address information. For that one, you can either use your own email address or opt in for the service with Bizee where they offer you a professional business address and a virtual mail service. And the great thing about this service is that for only $29 per month, you get to maintain privacy by using a commercial address, unlimited scanned incoming mail, and a physical address for your business. If you really value your privacy and want to keep your own address private, then definitely go with this service. However, if you are on a tight budget or you don't mind having the address provided to the state and listed publicly, then you may continue with this option and then enter your details. The next one is a crucial step, which is to provide members information for your LLC. So you start by entering how many members there are in the LLC. If it's just you, then enter 1, and then after that you will be asked to provide some information about each one of the members. So basically providing their first and last name and then provide a company address. If you went with the virtual address service with Bizee from the last step, then you may choose this option right here and then it will enter that address again. Next up, we have the registered agent information. So as you may know, most of the states do require an LLC to appoint a registered agent, and the great thing is that with Bizee you can get a full year of registered agent service completely for free. And then after that, if you choose to continue with the service, you get to keep it for $119 yearly. The price is very competitive. It's among the lowest I've seen from the LLC formation services. But if you choose to act as your own registered agent to save some money after that first year, then you may choose this option at a later stage. Next, you have to provide your EIN, and if you don't have one already, then you can choose to have Bizee obtain it for you for $70. But I highly recommend continuing with the free option, as you can get this done for free, and you can actually get it done directly for you from the IRS website. It is a little bit of effort, but if you don't mind doing it, then definitely continue the free option. And finally, you get to review all of the information that you have entered and the services that you have selected. If everything looks great, then you can proceed to the payment. Remember that the total cost will show on the right side, and it will include Bizee's service fee and the state filing fee for the state that you have chosen. Once you have completed your order, Bizee will prepare and file your certificate of formation, and they will keep you updated on the progress and notify you once your LLC is officially formed. Thanks so much for watching this video. Definitely let us know what you think of it by leaving a comment. And if you found today's video to be helpful and informative to watch, then give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.